what to do before you can get to the vet. Hey, pet parents, welcome back to Pet Parenting 101. Accidents happen, from cuts and burns to ingestion of something dangerous. When every minute counts, knowing home first aid can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to take before your vet visit, recognizing red flags, first aid you can do, what your kit should include, and how to transport safely. Let's get started. So, what is pet first aid and why it matters? Pet first aid refers to the immediate care you give your cat or dog when they're injured or suddenly ill, before professional veterinary treatment. It doesn't replace veterinarians, but it can reduce pain, prevent further damage, and even save lives. According to the AVMA, there are many emergencies caused by things like bleeding, poisoning, burns, choking, and difficulty breathing. Recognizing these and acting safely is crucial. Recognizing emergencies, signs you can't ignore. So here are some signs that you should treat as emergencies, things you don't wait on. Number 1. Severe or uncontrollable bleeding. If you apply pressure and bleeding doesn't lessen in 3 to 5 minutes, that's a red flag. Number 2, difficulty breathing, choking, or continuous coughing or gagging. Number 3, sudden weakness, collapse, disorientation. Number 4, suspected poisoning, eating something toxic, or having ingested unknown substances. Number 5, severe vomiting or diarrhea, especially with blood or lasting more than a few hours. Number 6, burns, eye injuries, fractures, or inability to move a limb. If you see any of these, you should be preparing to take your pet to a vet immediately. But there are things you can safely do while you get ready. Basic first aid steps to take at home. Here are safe first aid actions you can take before you can reach the vet. Stay calm and contain the pet. Injured pets may bite out of fear. A calm environment helps. Control bleeding. Use clean cloth or gauze. Apply firm pressure. If bleeding is severe or gushes, call the vet as you compress. Clean minor wounds. Flush superficial cuts or scrapes with saline or clean lukewarm water. Avoid harsh antiseptics unless recommended by your vet. Cool heat strokes safely. Move to shade. Wet towels over neck, groin, armpits. Avoid ice baths. Stabilize suspected fractures. Don't manipulate bone. Use flat surface or splint if safe. Wrap gently. Manage choking or breathing difficulty. Check for obstruction, open airway. If trained, perform rescue breaths or CPR, but only if safe, ideally after calling the vet for instructions. Always ensure your actions don't cause further harm. Let's talk about first aid kit essentials. To be ready for emergencies, have a pet first aid kit prepared in advance. Here are essentials recommended by vet experts. Gauze rolls, non-stick pads, bandage material, and medical tape. Saline flush or solution for cleaning wounds. Disinfectant or antiseptic wipes. Tweezers and bandage scissors. Thermometer, no baseline temperature for your pet. Disposable gloves, a soft muzzle or leash, even calm pets may panic, instant ice pack or cold compress, antibiotic ointment, emergency phone numbers, your vet, nearest 24-hour clinic, or poison control hotline. A kit like this doesn't need to be expensive, but having it ready can reduce panic and speed your response. Next is transporting and preparing for vet visit. When it's time to go to the vet, how you transport and what you bring matters. Secure transport. Use a crate, carrier, or blanket. Keep the injured parts supported. If your pet has a fracture, avoid unnecessary movement. Call ahead. Let the veterinary hospital or emergency clinic know what's going on. They may give you instructions or be ready for your arrival. Bring medical records, vaccination history, current medications, allergies. Bring photos, if relevant, what they ingested, places of injury. Keep pets warm and calm. Reduce stress. Cover wounds properly. Avoid loud noise or excitement. Drive safely. Smooth ride to avoid worsening injuries. Summary and when not to wait. Let's recap what you should take away. Recognize the red flags: breathing trouble, severe bleeding, poisoning, collapse, etc. Have your first aid steps ready. Control bleeding, clean wounds, stabilize fractures, cool heat strokes safely. First aid kit essentials, supplies, and emergency contacts. Transport safely and prepare your vet visit by gathering records. Importantly, when something feels like it's beyond your ability or likely to worsen quickly, don't wait. Err on the side of urgency. Immediate care can save your pet's life or prevent serious complications. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and the bell to get more pet safety, first aid, and care tips each week. Comment below if you have questions. I'll be happy to make a follow-up video to demonstrate first aid techniques or local emergency vet contacts in your area. Thanks for watching Pet Parenting 101. Stay safe, stay prepared, and give your pets the love and care they deserve.
This video is for informational purposes only. Consult your veterinarian for advice specific to your pet.